welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bald-headed or whatever the case may be. I am here with another one from the Nadula hair.
Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
So guys, I am back with a 14-inch, okay, water wave by Nadula hair. This unit is currently going for just about $136 on nadulahair.com. Excuse me, on nadula.com. I do that every time. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever, hashtag never forget. And this is the unit. She's just a cute little 14-inch bob. Let's take a look at the lace. She looks a little brown, which we love. I did bring my lace tint just in case, because I kind of want to see if we can wear her without any glue or anything. So this is my lace tint. I have it in the color darkest brown. It's from Ibn. Okay, just gonna go on through, see if we can darken her mother up a beat, just a beat. All right, let's throw this on. I actually was in Philly last week for a hair expo. It was really wonderful, and I found all these dark brown caps, which really are fantastic, okay, because they are blending right on in. It's almost giving bald cap without having to do the bald cap. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So let's go on ahead and throw this on. Straight up, she's already a little big head friendly to me. Okay. Nadula hair water wave unit. All right, I know I'm giving a little echo. I apologize. I don't have my mic plugged in. So let's talk. I'm obsessed. Now this is a closure unit. She's only laced from here to here on back here. Okay. She's giving, she's providing. I really do like this unit. The texture of the hair is super, super, super soft, which I can appreciate, okay? This unit is 14 inches. She's going for just $135 on nadula.com. Let me turn around. Bam, okay. The hair is really, it feels really nice to the touch. So what you guys see me use is my Wigs and Weaves Refresher. This is something that I'm kind of trying out, trying to get the formula right on this. And this is like a lavender mint mist. Okay, so I used that just to freshen up the hair. I didn't feel like wetting-ish. It smells really good. And I use my Lotta Body mousse, okay? And that's just to hold like the wave pattern in, because I really wanted to make sure we didn't really compromise it too much. Like, water waves are funny because they can get like stringy looking. But this one, once I added both of those, it kind of brought it back on to life. So I appreciated that. I don't know if you guys did, but I did. So I'm just going to shake her out. Okay. This unit is drying. She's drying up on me, which is why she's getting bigger, guys. And I just brushed her. So I'm really, really into this. The unit is super inexpensive. And for the texture of the hair, honestly, I think it's worth it. I absolutely positively think it's worth it. The texture of the hair is wonderful. She looks great. You can even part her to the side. I originally, like, you can part her, you know what I mean? Give her a different vibe, whatever the case may be. Y'all know I love a side part. I really, really like this unit. She's giving Dora, okay? But wet and wavy. And I'm feeling that. Like, I really, really do like it. This one piece in the front is driving me nuts, though. So I'm just going to add a little itty bitty mousse right to that front strand, because I kind of want those curls to come on back. And you can always, it's a water wave. You always want to zhuzh it. If you want to zhuzh it, wet it. Add some mousse. The mousse kind of helps hold the curl a bit in the way that you want it. But I really, really like this unit. I really do. I think she's really pretty. And I think more than that, she's affordable. So if you're looking for something, a lot of the girls want a unit that's versatile. You could definitely straighten her out if you wanted to have a straight bob or whatever the case may be. You could do all the things. This unit will give it to you. I'm really, really into this. This smells so good, this mist. I want to know what you guys think. Is she wet and nasty? Is she slippery? Is she slick? What is she giving to you? What is she providing? I'm getting like effortless. I'm giving effortless, I feel like, you know what I mean? Like, let me throw this baby on and go somewhere right quick. And the good thing, sometimes a great thing about, like, once you chop your lace and spray her down, tint her up a bit, and like lay her, it kind of like almost molds to your head. And then once you like wear this again, you either pull her out, throw her up on, and keep it moving, okay? And that's what I think she's given to us today. So I'm really into this, guys. I want to know what you guys think. So bust down. Let me know how you're feeling about her, okay? She's a vibe. Bust down. Subscribe to this channel first. Let me know what you think. She really is a vibe. I feel like she's giving. I feel like she's giving, but you guys let me know what you think. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.